If you ever go in a man, so you think land out of some man, go in and see some big level. if government went cut the road, how bad them bad to you? So because government, if government went cut the road, because them reach far in, you know. Just go reach up a quick step, it would be a good tourist thing, man. A man with a farm in there. Man will buy them big trunk, pick up and walk in there and come out. But you can't carry nothing out there, brother. You can't carry nothing out there. That's bad, man. But the best yam for plant right now are the black wrist. This is one we call it black wrist. Yeah, black wrist. Can't miss a fight. And when the black wrist go for beer, you know, one bank they give you all 60 pounds, 50 pounds, you know. One bank of yam, you know. You can be dig some yam off that tree down there last year. 2 bank give me 130 pounds. 2 bank of black wheat give me 130 pounds. Nobody now buy them. So sometimes you're glad to say the infirmary, hospital, and the infirmary hospital buy them. You know, through they cook, restaurant, airport, buy those. Well, you see the younger one them now, them love easy things, easy work. But not gonna work out. You have to steal his style because my old man, you know, my old man have, you know, 14 boy, you know, and 3 girls, you know. And out of majority of them, I'm the one clean pan fiend type of work, you know. And do it the farming. Yeah, the rest of them England, America, Bahamas, Canada. You understand me? Yeah. But me come back in and I say, I'm not left here. I'm a Jamaican. And I have to till the soil. I have to feed the people them. This year, you get 300, you catch a price this year for $300 a pound. Right? $300 a pound. So it was a good price. And the next time, it's at $20. So there's ups and going on it. Like me now, my yam now, by August me they come, me catch a good price. Yam can't last as long, man. As long as you're not sticky, not boring. I can't dig them up and then stay there. But if you're jokey, it goes spoil. But as long as you're not damaging, it serve for long, man. Serve for long.